Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and warning, this video might be disgusting to some people because it involves my foot. So I have really bad feet. I have feet issues. I've had to have surgery. That doctor actually wants to have surgery on this foot because it's just got some deformities in it. It's really flat. I have no arch. And one big problem I have is my toe pushes downwards. It's really hard to. Your big toe is supposed to kind of curve upward. You could see how much lower it goes than this toe. So, oh, and I really need another pedicure. This one's getting old. But anyway, because my toe pushes downward, I have a really disgusting callus on the bottom of my foot. Just really thick, heavy callus. I get pedicures. They can't really, get much off of this thing. So I'm going to try something. So I'm going to try this. A petty paws. Looks kind of like a lightsaber. But see, it has this little top on it, and what this top is for is right here. You would put your dog's toenail in there to gently file it down. So I'm just taking this little top off. And then it's like this little sanding wheel. When you turn it on, it just spins. So this thing doesn't get any use because our dogs hate it. It's like torture to them. It's better just to clip it. But since I had it, I thought, let me just see what it do. Now, it would probably be better if I soaked my foot first and did a solution of tea tree oil and probably, here would be my recipe. Do a warm water, probably about 2 cups in a basin, a little tub, a foot tub. About 10 drops of tea tree oil, and probably 3 drops of peppermint oil. And soak your feet in that until the water's not warm anymore. And then after it's softened, loosen up. But let's just see what happens if I rub this on my foot. I'm trying to look at my foot and not the camera. I don't know if you can see it, but it almost looks like smoke coming off. I have this bad spot right here. And then under here is where it's really super bad. This does not hurt at all because the callus is so thick. And it's not even, I don't know if you get it. Sometimes when you go to get a pedicure and they are trying to file it down a little bit, it's like, oh, you can't stand it. I'm not even feeling this right now because, I feel it, but I'm not getting that sensation that you get that's so awful. So I might need new batteries because this is going kind of slow, but that's probably a good thing because it's more gentle. Like for the dogs would just be going insane. If I take this little thing out, the dogs run. They hate it so much. And they bite me when I'm trying to do it. Now I almost have to put a muzzle on them so I don't do it at all. I think I could do this for quite a while. because my callus is so thick. But there you have it. I feel like it's working. It shaved off a little bit, and you could actually see like the dust flying as it was coming off. So this is Cajun DIY Diva. Sorry about the disgusting video, but there you go. Treat your feet as if they're being pampered like a dog. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram at Mary F. deSilva. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and I also have some Orlando guidebooks on Amazon.com under my author's name, Mary deSilva. So thanks, everybody.